What's up, everybody? Happy Thanksgiving to all of you out there on this wonderful day that we're living in. We're here today to say thank you to you. You, the subscribers, you, the viewers, you, the people that have taken what our vision was and taken it next level. We're here just to say thank you for that. Our numbers are through the roof. 62 countries, could be a little more, could be a little less. Yeah, I didn't stutter. 62 countries. There's somebody in Zimbabwe watching us. Somebody's in Zimbabwe watching what I do. I cannot believe it. It's unbelievable. You guys rock. We are inching towards 5,000 subscribers, 500,000 views. Our numbers are bigger than some YouTubers that have got way more subscribers. I don't understand. You guys are awesome. You guys are great. You guys interact with me. You talk. It's the greatest thing. I don't know. I love doing it. This is fun. I really enjoy it. And I enjoy it because of you. You the people in 62 plus countries. 62, see that number? In red, 62 plus countries. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. So from me, Team Marine, everybody that's affiliated with this company, all I want to do is say thank you. Thank you for what you did for my YouTube channel, my 5,000 subscribers, my 500,000 views, my 62 countries. I'm speechless. You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. So this is me saying thank you to you on a day where we give thanks. I hope everybody is staying as safe as you can. I hope you're engaging with your families on this day, doing what you can do and enjoying life to the fullest, because every day we do. Every day we do here, every day we go home, every day we just enjoy it. So from me to you, I say thank you, I appreciate it, and we're only gonna get bigger because of you, the people. I hope everybody has a great Thanksgiving, family, friends. I send my turkey, gobble gobble, to you. Thank you, everybody, I appreciate it. 62 countries, I love it. I love it, thank you guys, appreciate it.